In this video, we'll explore different customization options so you can personalize your org charts and highlight the information that matters most. You can find all the customization options in the box content section of the settings page. Using the checkboxes, select the information you want to display on your chart boxes. We recommend keeping it streamlined and showing only the most important details relevant to your organization. You can also order your fields to add hierarchy to your chart boxes. Use the text formatting options, such as bold, underline, and color, to add visual emphasis to key information. And don't forget, you can set a default color for your chart boxes to keep your charts visually consistent. With OrgCharts for Excel, you can also style your charts directly from your Excel table. To easily distinguish teams or departments, set a custom background color for each. Simply select the cells, add a background color, and then navigate to the settings page and click View Chart. Your org chart will then be updated to reflect the changes. Just remember to make sure there's enough contrast between your text and background colors for clear readability. Styling your chart this way can be especially effective when used with the Filter Table to Chart option, allowing you to quickly focus on and style specific groups or individuals. With these customization tools, you can create org charts that are both informative and visually engaging, perfectly tailored to your organization's needs.